All right, so I made a few changes to the house. I changed the direction the stairs are going, and extended a staircase up into what is going to be the upstairs rooms. So the next step is to draw the next terrace layer of the building. Now, the thing is, as I look down, though, I do get the distraction of what's happening in the floors below. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the top story and add a ceiling and get rid of that distraction. The next thing I need to consider is where my starting point is. So the walls are going to be here, set back a little bit. So I'm going to tab into the edit mode. I'm going to select a single vertex. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to Shift D to duplicate that vertex, which doesn't really actually affect the structure of things. In fact, I believe it's actually unattached. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab that vertex and move it to where I'd like the starting point to be. So I'm just going to grab it on Y, slide it down to here, and I'm going to grab it on X and slide it to roughly where the center of the wall is. And Shift S. Move my mouse up a little bit so I can Shift S and cursor to selected. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm going to tab out of 3D mode or out of edit mode. I'm going to minimize room. I'm going to go to Archimesh, and I'm going to add yet another room. And then from here, you kind of know the routine if you looked at previous videos. So I'm just going to trace these walls out, change the rotation, change the thickness, and then I'll come back and stop there. And then after that, I'll come back and trace the interior walls. No need to watch that. That's been handled in previous videos. So I'm going to stop there and check in when I get to the next step.